Federal judge blocks California law that would force President Trump to disclose tax returns. Hi, great to have you all with us. If you are new to TST, tap on the subscription button and click the notification bell so you can receive authentic news that you can rely on daily. A federal judge temporarily blocked California's law requiring presidential candidates to disclose their tax returns in order to gain a spot on the primary ballot Thursday. The California law would require any candidate running for president or governor to give the IRS tax forms for the past 5 years, after which portions of them would be edited for public viewing, the Los Angeles Times reported. This could be an issue for President Donald Trump as he runs for president again in 2020 because he has refused to disclose his tax returns, despite efforts by Democrats to force his hand. A final ruling on the law, signed by Democratic Governor Gavin Newsom in July, will be issued by the end of September, U.S. District Judge Morrison England Jr. said, according to the LA Times. The temporary order was issued Thursday because it would cause irreparable harm without temporary relief for Trump and other candidates, England added. There have been 5 lawsuits since Newsom signed the bill, the LA Times reported. A decision on whether to appeal will be made after the written ruling is issued, California Secretary of State Alex Padilla said. He is a defendant in the lawsuits. We remain firm in our belief that SB 27, the bill, is constitutional and provides invaluable transparency for voters as they decide who will hold the most powerful office in the United States, Padilla said, according to a statement, the LA Times reported. President Trump sued the bill in August, noting that it would unfairly force him to give up a right to privacy so he could be a part of the primary. Thomas McCarthy, one of President Trump's attorneys for the lawsuit, said states cannot try to inform voters beyond basic information. I think the judge got this one wrong, Democratic State Senator Mike McGuire said, according to the LA Times. Transparency is the foundation of accountability. The issue of releasing tax returns is bigger than any one candidate or any one president. Why in the world would the public necessarily need to know about a candidate's tax returns? It's not relevant. I mean, this individual is running for the office for the highest position in the United States that will bring notable changes and improvements to the nation's entire infrastructure, thus serve the people and work for the betterment of their lives in every possible way. So, people need to know what plans he has and how in reality can he execute these plans, and whether his ideas are appealing or not. And are these plans really groundbreaking improvements for the Americans personally, socially, nationally, and internationally? These are the sort of things people need to inquire about, not tax returns, which has nothing to do with anything in running for the White House. And haters out there, if you want to go after President Trump or whoever becomes president after him, seek to help the people and the administration that is actually trying to do that. Do not, I say do not, keep messing around making fools of yourselves on hyping about personal flaws, because honestly, there's no end to it. But there is an end to your short tenure at the position you're at now, because only genuine efforts can sustain it, not trash talk about others. Well, let us know what you think in the comments down below. And if you've liked this report, please share among friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to Top Stories Today. Thank you for tuning in to TST. I'm David Ravine. See you in the next one.